I did videos in class 1 and class 2. You're now class 3, and I'm going to do videos on this. Some of the questions appear on that worksheet that's due today. Some of the questions are from the Google Slides. And some of the questions are on the test that we take on Friday. We have a test Friday? Yeah, I've already talked about it, and we'll get it in a minute. And it's been written on the board, so don't be surprised. When going through order of operations problems that have more than one operation in it, like this problem here has more than one operation in it, we should probably be watching. We follow these steps. I don't use the whole PEMDAS thing because while it's good, sometimes people get confused and think that multiplication always comes before division, and it doesn't. Multiplication and division are the same step. If there's those in there, you work from left to right. Same with addition and subtraction. You work from left to right. And you're going to see as we practice these. But the first thing we do is our grouping symbols. This problem has brackets in it. So we have to do what's inside the brackets first. Well, we have a subtraction, and then what, Mr. McMurdo, is this whole crazy thing right there? Q, what is it? Multiplication. I've got a number right next to the grouping symbol, right next to the parentheses. That tells you it's multiplication. If there was a number right here, right next to the brackets, you'd multiply by whatever you get in the brackets. So 2 times 3 is 6. And I haven't done everything inside the brackets yet. So I bring down what I haven't done yet. Now, we still have grouping symbols. So I go back to the grouping symbol, and I have 30 subtract 6, which is 24. I haven't done the plus 4, which is 28. Now, if you notice it, I did each step one at a time. One step at a time. Which means if you want help on it and you come up to me and I go, oh no, you got that problem wrong. Well, can you help me with it? Well, I can't help you until I see where you made your mistake. I mean, do you need help on 24 plus 4? Do you need help on 30 minus 6? If you don't show each step, I'm not going to be able to help you. I am a mind reader, and stop thinking of that. But I can't always tell where you made your mistakes. That was funny, wasn't it? Because, see, I said I'm a mind reader, and then I accused you of thinking of something like you were thinking it and I read it, even though I didn't. All right, so we have 5, parentheses, 3 plus 1 plus 2. And close parentheses. Again, a very easy problem. Most of these problems you're going to get when you have multiple operations like that are not difficult. I go here, I look inside my grouping symbols, which I have parentheses inside my grouping symbol, or parentheses as grouping symbols. And so I just have to solve what's in the parentheses. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. And this 5, right next to the parentheses, means we multiply. Then I have 5 times 6, and I get 30. 5 times 6, and I get 30. Oh, I mean, these are really easy, but you got to ask yourself each step. Otherwise, you're going to get an answer that's cattywampus. Let's see, 32. Subtract 7 times 4 plus 13. I go through each step again, and you have these steps in these slides, the Google Slides on order of operations. Are there any grouping symbols? No. Is there any multiplication or division? Then that's what I do. And my multiplication is 7 times 4, which equals 28. And I bring down everything I haven't used yet. Are there any grouping symbols?
No.
Any multiplication or division?
No.
Addition and subtraction?
Yes.
I work from left to right. This is the same step. So I don't do this first and then this. I work from left to right. That's the same step. So 32 subtract 28 is who? 4. And then I have left 4 plus 13 is 17. What I see a lot is people just trying to work it from left. 32 minus 7 and then multiply that by 4 and then add 13. You can't do it that way. You got to follow the steps for orders of operation. And let's do one last one. And when I post it, it'll be on today's post, just like the others that I did this morning. 16 minus 12 divided by 4 times 3. Are there any grouping symbols? Any multiplication or division?
Yes.
Same step, left to right. So I start with the division first. There's multiplication, division. Same step, left to right. 12 divided by 4 is 3. I bring down everything I haven't used. Any grouping symbols?
No.
Any multiplication or division?
Yes.
Okay, I ask my... Mr. McMurdo, you know there's no grouping symbols. I don't care. I ask myself every step, because why would you not and make a mistake? Just take your time, stay on task, and do that. Don't say, I'm not done because I was taking my time. No, you're up talking. All right, 3 times 3 is?
9.
And then I'm left with 16, subtract 9, which is? 7. Follow the steps. And I'll do more problems tomorrow in all 3 classes. Tomorrow on the post for tomorrow, you'll get all the test questions that you'll have on Friday. Yeah, work them out, write the answers down, bring it in Friday. Yes, okay.
Wait.
They're not going to be in the same order, just so you know. What? Who? Oh. All right. Y'all are cool. Thank you.